$1 million Bitcoin. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? It sounds like pure hype. But what if the math actually works out? What if there's a legitimate, logical framework that gets you to $1 million per Bitcoin and it has nothing to do with hype? Today I'm breaking down the exact numbers. Stay with me because this is going to change how you think about where we actually are in this cycle. Let's break it down. Most people can't even imagine Bitcoin at $1 million because they're looking at today's price, not tomorrow's market. Think about what happened. Many people bought Bitcoin years ago. They watched it crash. They watched it recover. And after years of waiting, it feels like nothing happened. They're tired. They're frustrated. Some have already given up. But that's exactly how markets work. The biggest moves usually happen after people lose interest. The boredom is the setup. Now let's look at the numbers. One well-known macro investor believes the digital asset market could eventually reach $50 trillion. Here's how. Bucket number 1, Bitcoin. Estimated value, $20 trillion. With Bitcoin's limited supply, that works out to roughly $1 million per coin. And here's the interesting part. Gold is already worth around $40 trillion. If Bitcoin becomes digital gold, half of gold's value. Doesn't sound impossible. Bucket number 2, Ethereum, Solana, and other major blockchain networks. Estimated value, $10 trillion. These aren't just cryptocurrencies. They're becoming financial infrastructure. Bucket number 3, the companies built on blockchain, crypto exchanges, payment companies, financial platforms. Another $20 trillion. 20 plus 10 plus 20 equals $50 trillion. That's the thesis. Now here's something even bigger. Stablecoins. Just a few years ago, almost nobody used them. Last year alone, stablecoins processed over $33 trillion in transaction volume. Think about that. From almost zero to 33 trillion in just a few years. And almost all of it is based on the US dollar. We're still at the beginning. Blockchain adoption is quietly accelerating. Now add artificial intelligence. AI agents are already learning how to complete tasks automatically. In the future, these AI systems won't visit banks. They won't fill out paperwork. They'll use programmable money, smart contracts, blockchain networks. Imagine millions or even billions of AI agents sending payments every second. That creates an entirely new economy. And blockchain becomes the financial rail underneath it all. But let's stay realistic. Nothing is guaranteed. Bitcoin won't move in a straight line. There will be crashes. There will be fear. There will be headlines telling you it's over. That's normal. The people who benefit the most won't be the ones chasing every candle. They'll be the ones who understand the long-term thesis, build their position, manage their risk, and stay patient. Because in investing, the hardest skill isn't buying, it isn't selling, it's waiting. Maybe Bitcoin reaches $1 million. Maybe it doesn't. But the important question is, are you looking at today's price or tomorrow's opportunity?